everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So if you've heard that Merch by Amazon is dead, then today's video is going to surprise you. Whether you're a total newbie or you've dabbled but haven't had much success, this Merch by Amazon step-by-step guide is for you. Be sure to stick around because I'm going to be sharing some real-life examples from my journey and debunking some myths. So let's dive in. Part 1, Understanding Merch by Amazon. First things first, let's talk about what Merch by Amazon actually is. In a nutshell, it's Amazon's print-on-demand service that allows you to design and sell your own branded merchandise with no upfront costs. That sounds simple, right? There's more to it than meets the eye. The real beauty of Merch by Amazon is that you're able to use Amazon's Prime, their back-end systems, and their vast customers. To really make it work, you need a strategy, and that's what I'm here to share. Part 2, setting up your account. Getting started with Merch by Amazon is straightforward. You apply for an account, fill in the necessary details, and then you wait for an approval. The waiting game can be long, but once you're in, that's when the fun begins. My quick tip is don't wait to do designs and research until you're accepted into Merch by Amazon. You can certainly get started with a print-on-demand service such as Redbubble or Etsy with a print-on-demand service like Printful or Printify and test out Merch by Amazon designs up to your customer base there. Part 3. Research and design. Research is crucial. You need to know what is going to sell, especially in your first tier, which is tier 10. You can get ideas from Amazon's bestseller list to see what's trending. Here's a quick tip. 3 other places to find Merch by Amazon t-shirt designs. Number 3, Merch Informer. Merch Informer is a tool that you can use to come up with Merch by Amazon designs. Number 2, look around in shops around you. If you're going into Target or Walmart, take a look at their t-shirt section and come up with variations on their designs. Number 1, social media. Pay close attention to the captions and the comments, and if you're in the comments section, pay close attention to the comments that gets the most likes. It's usually funny and it's usually pertinent, and most of the time somebody would want to see that on a t-shirt. Once you're done with the research, it's time to implement those ideas and put them into designs. And it doesn't have to be fancy. It can be a text-only design, and you can do it for free on Canva. Number 4, uploading and keyword optimization. Uploading your design is easy. The real game changer is the title, bullet points, and the description, and keywords are your best friend. They make your whole listing findable. A quick tip is to make sure you research all your words, keywords, and phrases to make sure that there's nothing that infringes on a trademark. A tool that I like to use for this process is Productor for Merch by Amazon, which is free. It's a Chrome extension, and you can check your trademarks right from clicking a button inside the listing as you're writing it. Number 5, scaling up. Merch by Amazon operates on a tier system. You start at tier 10 and you move up as you make sales. The first 10 designs should be about trend, quality, simplicity, whatever can get you to move up beyond that 10. And a quick tip is after that t-shirt makes a sale, don't change anything about that listing. So is Merch by Amazon dead? Absolutely not. Like any other business, it requires strategy, effort, and a little bit of creativity. I started with simple text-based designs, and now Merch by Amazon is a significant source of income for me. Don't let myths and rumors hold you back. Dive in, experiment, and maybe watch your side hustle grow. If you found this guide useful, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comments below where you are with your Merch by Amazon journey. Let's debunk some myths together. Until next time, keep creating and stay inspired. Thanks for watching.